Well, there's three things in life that make me feel happy. One is crafting, two is chocolate cake, and three is butterflies. Don't you agree? Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Hot, super hot here in Sheffield. Got beautiful weather. Been out this morning, going to the gym, and then I met up with Jamie and Jamie's mum. So went out for a really nice coffee, and then come back home and craft all day, which is fabulous. Today I'm bringing you this fabulous little it's like a folio, like little don't really know what it is. It's an album with two pockets. You've got these beautiful tags. You know me, I'm all about butterflies. Okay, so it's got some cracking effect. I showed you in a different videos how to make this effect, but I will put everything down in the info box so you guys can click there and take you straight in there. What have I used for this project today? I have used my Pretty in Pink kit, which is on page 10 of the catalogue, which this gorgeous kit here is a 10 pages, a selection of background, fussy cut and embellishments. So you get 10 pages from the price of £2.75, super affordable. Okay, and also used a beautiful kit from the lovely Gi Kerr for happiness in crafting, and it's called handmade collage tags. So this video is part of my design team member for G's. So you get 3 different sizes of tags, and the reason, well, it's called handmade collage tag bases is because that's the base. You can layer this tag, you can even do napkins decoupage on top, you can do anything that you like. So as you can see here, some of these tags here has got this pink line, which it was my starting point when I was designing what to do with this kit. And in fact, you can probably see better here. So it's all blend, hence why I created more like a pink folio. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 pages with 4 huge tags. And when G designed this, is a collage of music paper and ephemeras. Then you also get 1, 2, 3 pages of the same tags but shrunk in a medium size. Beautiful details. I mean, that's a receipt. Very vintagey. And then you get, oh sorry, there's a, hold on, that is another, is that same size? Oh wow, so that's another page with the same size. So you get 3, 6, 9 more. Wow. And then hold on a minute, is this the same size? Yes. Is it look smaller? No, is it smaller? Am I going mad? It's smaller. Ignore me, it's smaller. So large, medium, small and extra small. Look how cute are those tags. Again, it's the same tags but of course shrunk in a different size. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pages as well. So yeah, I love this kit. Love it, love it, love it. And you can create, as I said, you know, lovely tags. I mean, they're super simple. That's the back and that's the front. You can layer it with anything that you want. You can add more ephemera. You can put Timos, paper dolls. But because there's quite a lot of detail on the paper, you don't need a lot. And so my tags are quite simple. I just put some of this fabric. And that is it. Okay, keep watching the tutorial guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay, so the first step, we're going to make the actual card slash wallet, how you want to call it. So I'm just using they are piece of card, craft cardstock. I think it's A5. No, it should be more than A5 because that's an A4. I can't remember. I just got them forever. So yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to construct. So what I thought we would do, we're going to pull them like that, and then I fussy cut the bigger tags, okay, so the large size, and I'm going to glue them like this. Let me show you. Okay, so these it's got two functions. So the first function, it will support me, of course, decorating the back of the paper, but also it will allow me to glue the two pages together. Okay, so I thought we're going to do something like that, okay, on both sides. And then on here I'm just going to fold them so they're going to stack on the back as well. And on the other side, I do the same with the rest of the tags. Okay, so it's imagine like you're doing a collage. If you already have a piece of craft cardstock, and the reason why I picked the craft cardstock is because I think it goes quite well, although you won't be able to see it. Or should we just leave a little border? In fact, I think I'm going to leave a little border because I think it's quite pretty. The only thing is you will see that in there, which I'm not keen. Oh, I wish you could tell me. So if we do that, in fact, yeah, we're going to leave a border. I changed my mind. Yeah, so I'm going to cut them in a way that we create a border like that. So we do like a collage, and then one like that, and maybe we do another one like that, and then I just cut a little strip. So we're doing a collage, and then I thought, because that's the base, we're going to make it prettier. We're going to add some color, and I thought pink and this goes really well together. So this is my Pretty in Pink kit. So as you can see, it's a huge kit. I will put all the links down below, so don't worry about writing anything down, just watch and enjoy first. Okay, so I'm going to fussy cut some of these flowers, because you know it wouldn't be me without flowers. And then we're going to use some butterflies as well, because again, it wouldn't be me without butterflies. Okay, so yeah, I think we're going to leave a little border. Yeah, I mean, if you have a piece, you could just get a piece of craft cardstock if you want, if you've got a bigger piece, but I haven't, so I'm going to use two small ones and put it together. And also when it's glued down properly, that will help me close it, so it will do like that. Okay, right, let me glue everything down and I'll be right back. Before I glue them down with the kit, I just want to show you my desk. I love these butterflies. They look like I just opened the window and loads of butterflies jet out on my desk. This makes me feel so happy. Well, there's three things in life that makes me feel happy. One is crafting, two is chocolate cake, and three is butterflies. Don't you agree? Right, done. So this is the front. So as you can see, I've got all the tags on the background, it's a collage, and I put the butterflies on top. Now, because this page is formed on two pages, when I fold it here, it's going to create all these. But don't worry, because what I'm going to do with the front, I'm going to do a cracking effect. So I haven't prepared, okay, bear with me. Sorry, I have not prepared this step. I've got a trolley here. Oh, there we are. I can see them. So I have done several projects using these products. So if you want this cracks effect that looks like ancient Roman, or you know, like that proper cracks effect, if I can speak, you can use any products. I have used this for a very long time, because you can tell, I think it's literally, this is almost like there. So what you do a base coat, you let it dry completely, a top coat, you let it dry completely, and then you enhance the cracks. I've done tons of videos using this technique, and I'm going to list them down below for your reference, so you guys can go and have a look and explain how to use these products. But you don't have to use this brand. There is plenty of vanish to do this effect, and then almost, I'm sure they're all made of two parts. So part one, which is what they call base coat, and part 2, which is what they call top coat. So all brands, they do pretty much the same. So yeah, so we're going to do a cracking effect on this, and then on the back, and I cannot believe I've done it again, I'm so mad with myself, I glue the page on the other way around. Ugh. So that's how it should be, but I've done it this way, silly me. So I think to resolve the problem, it doesn't matter, because I do like the flowers to go like that, but the butterflies upside down, the drunk butterflies, I think we're going to cover them. Silly me. So note to yourself, check before you glue things down. And I'm mad because I do these mistakes all the time. It's because when I do things like this, I don't really think. Like, my brain goes into a different planet. I don't know which planet it is, to be fair, but it's definitely not this one, because otherwise I wouldn't done that. So I need a tiny little one now. Should we use that? Yeah, let's use her. Okay. To be fair, you probably the pocket will cover that, I think. Okay, so next step, I got another piece of this paper here, craft paper. So as you can see, it's the same size. What's this here? Yeah, so that's another piece of craft paper. Okay, so it's exactly the same. So what you want to do, guys, you want to create a triangle, and that is going to be your pocket. So it can be as big as you want. So score and fold it in half. And then what I'm going to do, again, I'm going to cover this with the tags, so it's all blend together. I'm going to put a couple of butterflies. And then what we're going to do, guys, we're going to get this glue down. So when you actually cover it, this is it's going to stay there. So don't forget, you only want to put the glue on this line and then on this 2 bottom lines, so you create your pocket. Okay, so what I'm going to do this, I'm going to decorate the front, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, done. So this is the front, and that is the back with the butterflies. As you can see, it's very shiny because of the two coats of varnish. And if I put them close to you, you can see the cracks effect. Now for this project, because there is a lot of pink, I have used a pink mica powder, but I got loads of mica. I was actually contemplating if we could use gold instead, but I use gold in different projects, so I thought to keep it all into one color, let's use pink. So that's the cracking effect. I mean, I can clearly see it in flash, but for you guys, I'll give you a little zoom in. So that is the front, as I said, that is the back, and this is the inside. Okay, so you've got your triangle pocket, and then what I did, very simply, 2 tags from the kit. So that is the back and that is the front, and I put a couple of butterflies. Literally, for all the butterflies that you saw on my desk from my pretty in pink kit, that's what was left. Wow, so I used a lot of butterflies. As you can see, I've not done anything with this page here. I'm not even distress the page, because I do want to have a contrast. As you can see here, I distress the edges in there, and on the pocket I put 2 coats of Mod Podge. So can you hear it? It's proper steady, it's strong. Okay, so that's the 2 tags inside. I mean, you can put a ribbon if you want and close it, but I quite like it like that. So I mean, if you glue this on a journal, on the page, a person could open up and that is a secret pocket. Okay, right guys, that is it for today. I'm sorry this video is going to be terribly long. I don't think it's going to be my usual 10-15 minutes. But hey, it's not my fault. I just want to be clear when I explain new things, because I'm terrible. I'm explaining things. Right guys, I hope you liked this project. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps a lot. Also, if you want to buy Gi's G Kerr's kit. I will put the link to this beautiful kit down below, and of course to my Pretty in Pink digital kit with these gorgeous butterflies. I put everything in the info box so you guys can go and check it out. Okay guys, thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of the week, and I'll see you tomorrow for my Friday freebie. See you later guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.